Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to clean a hybrid battery filter in a Prius C. This video will work for 2012 to 2018 Prius Cs. This particular vehicle is a 2015 Prius C. So let's go ahead and get to it. Okay, so this is behind the driver's seat. You have to get these two clips out of here. I already removed the one, but I'll show you guys this one here. So the middle there, you just want to press on it, and it's a little tricky, so I'm gonna use my keys to help me. Then you get that out of there. You just move this piece. This right here is the hybrid air filter, and then you can just go ahead and like vacuum it and like clean it off and get all the stuff out of it. All right guys, thanks for watching. As you can see, there wasn't a lot to that, so go ahead and check out my other Prius C videos and hopefully they can help you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment.